Hello and welcome to owmyback-packing. I'm Heather, an over 50s traveller exploring Thailand one road trip at a time. Backpacking? Well, kind of. I'm sticking this heavy backpack in the back of this hire car and I'm off for some wild adventures. I'm here to show you that adventure doesn't have an age limit. Adventure is calling and I am answering. So join me for epic road trips, hidden gems and a few out my back moments along the way. So hit subscribe and let's hit the road together. Adventure after 50? Oh, it's just getting started. Today I start a 2-day journey from Chiang Mai to Samet Songkhram with a stop off at Nakhon Samet, which is the starting place of the Chao Phraya River that runs through Bangkok. So first of all, I've got myself a coffee and we've filled up with fuel and we'll start this 2-day journey. Come and join me. So as you can see, it's quite sloggy outside here in Chiang Mai and it will take us about 6 hours to do the first leg of our journey. Hopefully eventually tomorrow afternoon it will be worth. I just wanted to quickly show you one of the typical Thai shops, which I think is important because it is so beautifully painted with crows everywhere. But why? Why do they need this many tourists? I mean, it's just a straight line. You can imagine the smell. So we've just arrived at Nakhon Sawan. I'm going to take a quick look around before we check into our hotel. We are at the starting place of the Chao Phraya River, and it's where the River Peng and the River Nam join together. It forms into the Chao Phraya River, which then flows from here all the way down to Bangkok and out to sea. As you can see, the Thai people have built this huge art installation, which I think is supposed to represent a whale. Oh wow, look at that sunset. That's beautiful. Good morning from Nakhon Sawan, which is halfway between Chiang Mai and the coast, just below Bangkok. And last night we travelled 6 hours to get here and we spent the night here in this easy hotel. It's pretty cool. And today we continue our travels and should be by the coast by about 2-3 o'clock. Can't wait to see the sea. Come and join us. Okay, I've got a full tank of gas, an Americano with coconut water, some watermelon and some lychee juice, and we're on a move. This cabin here just outside Samut Songkhram so that we can go to the famous floating market tomorrow. But it really is quite magnificent. Look at that beautiful pond. So come and join me and let's find out what this province has to offer. As you can see, this isn't the really famous floating market 2 hours outside of Bangkok. This is the one that we're near, which unfortunately is only open on a Saturday, which doesn't help a lot because today is a Wednesday. This local market specialises in great big chunks of mangrove. Beautiful, colourful temple, but unfortunately it's shut for refurbishment at the moment. Look at the colours. Well, I'm not having a lot of luck today. So far it's been a closed floating market and now we've got a closed temple. Let's hope the day gets a little bit better. Okay, third time lucky. Let's see if Khao Rock Park is open for business. Oh yeah, it seems quite busy with tourists up here. Yeah, you little shit. Get off my car. You get off my car as well. Oh no, don't sit on it. Yeah, I'll see ya. I'll see ya. This one's just riding. Ah! Off the floor. I just want to put it out there. I hate monkeys. I don't want to feed them. That's a beautiful Buddha on the side of the cliff. But I've heard a little secret. Apparently there's a really pretty place with a coffee shop. Let's go and find it. Oh, this looks like it's going to be just around the corner from the rock park. In the distance we could see a big Buddha up on a hill, so we drove up to investigate. We could see for miles from up here. It's quite amazing. Mountains in all directions. There's another happy chappy. Well, that escalated a little bit, didn't it? Now, it wouldn't be a true Buddhist temple if there wasn't hundreds of stairs for me to climb. Drove to Wat Tham Nam, which is a temple inside a huge cave system. Because it was a temple, it's actually completely free to enter, and it is a really huge cave system. Honestly, it took about an hour and a half to 2 hours to walk around, and it's done superbly. There's illuminations everywhere, little pathways. Some of the caves are so low you have to bend right over. I'm only short, so it's quite easy, but if you're tall it could be a bit of a struggle. In the darker areas of the cave, there's quite a lot of bats living up there. I love the way this golden laying Buddha is being protected by his little army. You really need to duck down here. Some of it's as low as about 3 foot off the decking. But it's okay for short people, so I was fine. Keeping guard of the exit were these 2 green jade Buddhas. There seems to be an awful lot of flooding today. I'm not sure why, if it's rain, which I didn't notice, or if the sea levels are just really high at the moment. So I bought myself a new Judy garland to keep us nice and safe. This area has a lot of coconut farms, and they seem to flood the area that coconuts are growing in. However, I don't think they're supposed to flood this much, so I'm not sure what's going on. Apparently the tide was really high last night, and this has caused a lot of flooding inland, particularly in the low-lying areas where there is already a lot of water and canals and small rivers. So that's it from me in Samet Songkhram. So follow along in my next video when I go to Prachit Kirikan and see what that province has to offer.